Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Stephanie's Traditional Home. A little over a month ago, I was telling you that I was doing a memory book for my 5-year-old granddaughter, and I have completed that, and I wanted to share it with you before I send it off to her. While you're here, will you subscribe, like, and comment? Again, thank you for watching. Okay, I'm ready to share. This is the front of the book. I got her initials. And what I did, I took some stock paper and folded it in half. And then got another sheet of this color paper. And they all came from Hobby Lobby. And then just bought some other things. And this is how the front came out. And the back. On the inside, she'll be glad to see that. Pencil. And then I added a pencil here to make it a little decorative. And then she has an envelope where she can see what she wants to pull out or what she wants to pull in. And I just put some index cards in so she can write what she wants to. And then this page just says she just turned 5. And it's some inspirational. I put on here an A student. Well, she's in pre-kindergarten. I'm encouraging her. Teaching her to always be on time. So you can see the various things. And this one, when she starts kindergarten this year, she will have this. First and last day of. And she can do with it how she pleases. And then I have a place for her pre-kindergarten, her best times. Then as she grows on up, she can change these to whatever grade she in, or however. This is her remembrance page here. She can write something at the end of each day, or what comes up. And then this page, I signed it here. Travel the world. You will journey far. Stay humble and depend on God. Love, Granny. And then I'm going to tell her mom to do a page to put in here for her also. And everything can be inserted. I left her a note here to put her picture on this page. I didn't want her pictures to be on camera. And these little apples, and pencil, and books came from Hobby Lobby. And then just added some calendar pages in it so she can doodle or whatever she wants to do. And then I took 5 index cards, put this fun clip on it, and then at the back of the book is a schoolhouse. So this will be going off on Monday to give to my granddaughter. Thank you for watching. Here's a closer look at the book.